The Lagos Council of the Nigerian Union of Journalists says it is making efforts to resolve the fractionalization of bits associations by journalists covering activities of the maritime sector. The council's chairman, Mr. Adeleye Ajayi, disclosed this at the grand reception and public lecture held in his honor by the Maritime Reporters Association of Nigeria in Lagos.
There are 5 factions. There is Amjon, there is Majan, there is Maran, there is League of Maritime Editors, there is CAN. All these groups, we want to bring them together. Even if they are not ready to come, there should be an umbrella body that will regulate the associations, and the headship can be rotational, maybe one year tenure, and we are working on that so that there can be unity. Maritime Reporters, we should be one family that we used to be, and by God's grace, we return back to be one family.
Ajayi further emphasizes administration's commitment to training of members of the union, especially in the area of information and communication technology skills.
You need to be very, very ICT compliant, and that's exactly what we are doing in NUJ.
In attendance at the public lecture were founding members and former presidents of the association, as well as other stakeholders in the maritime industry.
When he was president of Maran, I remember several accounts of a lot of things happened, not negative things, but positive things. He is a man that showed care as president of Maran. Even when he took us to Calabar, he took us to Ghana, he cared. So he never left us like that. Even after his service to Maran as president, when his tenure elapsed, he never left Maran. He's still a member of Maran. So, what I mean that if he has you in mind, he does not leave you. And no matter whether you are with him or not, you agree with him or not, he does not show anger.
Key aspect of the event was a lecture themed National Development, the Challenges of and the Prospects for Proper Implementation of the Freedom of Information Act in the Maritime Industry, delivered by Mr. Emeka Okoroayao.
You see, freedom of information is not only about the journalists or the public. The public officer, who is also supposed to release this information, is also taken care of by the law.
He stressed the need for journalists covering the sector to take advantage of the Freedom of Information Act to improve their reportage.
I feel happy. This is a reward of hard work. It's a reward of productivity. It's a reward of commitment to maritime reporting, which I did for upward of about more than 10 years as a non-reporter, as an editor, presently as a controller, and it's an evidence that it is good to be well committed, to be determined. When you are placed on a beat, a reporter should put in his or her best, and that is exactly what I did as a maritime reporter for the news agency of Nigeria.